Welcome to the quick tutorial for converting the raw RTMAP61 data into XYZ format using the RTM61 software. To start, open the RTM61 software by either double-clicking a desktop icon or by typing RTM61 into the search box in the lower left of your screen. Open your raw RTMAP file, which will be listed as .t61 or similar, into the RTM61 software by going to File, Open File, and direct to the file location on your computer. Once the data has been read into the processing software package, the screen will show details of your raw file. The heading will be your file name, in this case raw61.t61, and beneath this the date the file was created. On the left-hand side of your screen is the logger start and end time, and beneath this the data file contents, the number of EM61 readings and number of GPS positions. In the case of this example, 153 EM61 readings were recorded and 64 GPS positions were recorded. This indicates to the user that there is data presently stored in this file. For most applications, you will need to convert the raw data into XYZ format in order to map your electromagnetic data for further analysis. To accomplish this, go to the Positions Readings tab and position readings using NAV61 MK2 data files. Click Output XYZ file, save and rename the file in an accessible location. I have named this file as 61XYZ. Click Save. Ensure that geodetic is selected under Output Coordinates WGS84, as it is best practice to export the coordinates as latitude and longitude data format. This allows the user to transform the readings into an appropriate local transformation using CAD or GIS software packages or the UK Ordnance Survey Grid Inquest program. Ensure that the GSA message is disabled, because if this is left unchecked, you will generate an error message. This error message occurs because only a GGA sentence is being output by the GNSS receiver. Click Proceed. After generating your XYZ file, you should receive a screen populated with grey and red dots. The grey dots are associated with the GPS position and the red dots associated with the EM data points. If any of your tracked data points are missing, you may receive an error message. To resolve this issue, you can change some of the parameters in the lower left of your positional reading screen, which are listed below. This is the GPS time gap, p.mask, and corrections. You can initially try increasing the GPS time gap to a higher number. I will change it to 300 seconds, for example, as this acts as a smoothing filter to the data, i.e. fills a gap if the GPS signal was missed or lost due to an obstruction such as overshadowing trees or high-rise buildings. If the error persists or you still have missing data points, you can change the p.mask to 9 and revert the GPS time gap back to its original 5 seconds. And you click Proceed. Always ensure that your output XYZ file is being read into this program before clicking Proceed. If the error still persists or there is still missing data points, revert the p.mask back to 4, and then finally check that your corrections is changed from differential DGPS to raw GPS. Read your file back in, click Save, because if your file is not read in, you will not be able to proceed. Please note that under Select EM61 MK2 channels, in the top right hand of the screen, these denote the time gates of each measurement. For example, The CHT is a top coil measurement, and a CHD is the measurement denoted from the bottom coil measurement. From the top coil measurement is the difference. Once you click proceed and your file is generated, fully populated with your data, with the grey and the red dots, you can now navigate it to the generated XYZ file on your computer and open it up in Notepad. This will show your generated file and the data populated within it. It should be in text tab delimited format, showing the longitude, latitude, amongst other readings. This is the end of the tutorial for converting the Raw RTMAP61 files into XYZ format. For further advice on converting the RTMAP31 and 38 files, please see our website. Thank you for watching.